It's like Christmas around here. We got our new EV-based pet liner for the backseat of the Cybertruck. I'm gonna go throw them in. I'll see you guys in a second. Couldn't have been easier. Totally installed. All you had to do was hook a few hooks right there, zip that up, ready to go. It has this nice mesh in the middle, gives nice airflow so that they can see us and get the climate control through there. Next thing to do is lower our ride height down into entry to make it easier for the dogs to get in. Okay, she's on the lowest setting. Let's open up the door, get the dogs in there. Now it's time to answer the question I'm sure you've all been asking. How many Great Danes can you fit in the backseat of the Cybertruck? Hey Darth, hi Gwen. You wanna get in the truck? You wanna get in? Come on, let's go.
Winnie, Snark, come on. Up. Up. Right here. Up.
Attempt number 2, this time with treats.
What's that?
Okay, attempt number 3, we're gonna try and lure him with a long leash because he just does not want to jump up there, but we're gonna... All right, Darfus, come on, buddy, hop in. Come on, buddy, come on, come on.
This way.
Come on, come on.
Here we go. Come on. Yes, good boy. Come on, up, up. Darth, come on. Come on.
Okay, attempt number 4,
Come on, honey.
luring with a person. After a lot of coercion, the answer is 2. You can fit 2 Great Danes. Okay, we're in the truck now. Successful. Couple
Boy.
treats, help calm them down.
Good girl.
Oh, good dogs. Good
How to
dogs.
sit. How to sit.
Take me
your
to the
head.
dog park.
Watch your head, honey. She's gonna bump your camera.
Let's let FSD take us there.
Good babies.
We've arrived. They are anxious to get out. Woo! Woohoo! Here we are. Good doggies.
Alright. Go.
Come on, doggies. Let's go play. Let's go. What'd you find, doggies?
Let's go.
Yeah, this park is super nice. Not as big as these dogs. Let's see if we can get them in on the first try this time. Now that they've ridden in it already. Oh, so much better.
Good girl. Those snackies. Good girl. You did such a good job. Oh, it's careful. No, Gwenny, stay there, baby.
Gwen, come here. Gwenny, come. Gwenny, come here. Gwenny, 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 Gwenny. come here. Gwenny, come. Can you, if you push her my way, I can grab her. Oh, there we go.
Can you unleash him?
Good job.
Yep. All good.
All right, we're in. Way easier.
Let's go.
This is definitely why you get one of these. Look at this slobbery mess. So glad that my seats are protected underneath this. I imagine most of you don't have dogs as big as I do, but I fit 2 Great Danes in there. Thanks to EV Base for hooking me up with this product. Definitely worth it. If you guys want to grab one, head to evbase.com, use code DB3K, get you 20% off, save you some money. We're all about saving money. See you on the next one.